problem 3a, we're going to take the trim function one step further by using the substitute function together with it. Here in this data, we have commas separating some of our numbers where we would like decimal points or periods. And at the same time, we still have extra spaces that we talked about in the last exercise. The substitute function allows us to change specific characters and replace them with another. I'll start by typing the trim function equals trim open parentheses, and I'll nest the substitute function into that. So I'll type substitute, and that prompts us to choose the cell with text that we would like to replace. So I'll reference the first cell in our table. The next reference is the old text we would like to replace. So I will type open quote, comma, close quote. Notice that I put the comma within quotes because it's a text value. All text values within a formula string need to be separated from the formula with quotes. So next, I will enter the substitute text in this example, which is a period. So I'll type quote, period, end quote. Next, I'll close the parentheses, click enter, and I'll drag down the formulas to our other cells. Again, I'll click the menu and fill without formatting to ensure that our format stays the same as it was before in our table. You might be wondering why we wouldn't just use the find and replace function that's located in the home ribbon. The reason is because it's always important to keep your raw data intact, especially if you have to do a lot of cleanup. If you have issues further down the line, you may want to look back at the original data to check, or you may need evidence of what you originally received. If you start making changes and edits directly to your original data, it is extremely difficult to ensure that nothing has been changed accidentally, or there may be instances where you need to check if an issue was with the raw data received or the computations done to it. Therefore, it is a leading practice to use the reference functions that we've learned together to clean and edit your data, especially when you're dealing with sensitive or large data sets.